Hello everyone. Today we will create a small project in Revit. I will do some operations like loading families and using them, also creating a toposolid in Revit, and also adding sunpad analysis on our project. So let's get started. I already have a template for this video. I made my model. So let's open. Uh, Now you need to open the file, or if you make a new file, you need to click on new. So I have already one, so I will open and select my file from my desktop. Let's wait. Yes, this is my 3D model. As you can see, I have a topography. I have some site elements like trees. And also I have my mess here. Today we will add some family on this mess. So first of all, I want to show you how to make toposolid in Revit actually. For the toposolids, uh, you need to click on messing and site. From here, you have some options under toposolid operation. You can create a toposolid from sketch, or you can import some contour lines. So I used sketch for this project actually. When you click on it, uh, we need to set a boundary. I'll use rectangle for that. It's a basic one actually. When you do that and click this tick, it will create a super flat surface actually. When we want to change the properties of this topography, when we want to add some slope or some points, we need to click on the toposolid and we can say modify sub elements. If you click on modify sub elements, you can see some operations on boundary lines or the corner points of the toposolid. Let's choose a corner point. When you click on the point, you can see you can change the height of this point, and also for the boundary lines, we have same operation actually. When we change the height of this line or point, our toposolid is exactly changing. I'm doing some operations, and when I click enter, this is my basic topography actually. I want something different, so I can add some points on it. I need to take my toposolid, but I don't know what's the problem. Okay. When I click on the toposolid and I say add point, when I add point, it becomes a triangulated surface actually, and I can change the exact height of these points. Let's try something. You can see it triangulates the surface of toposolid. I add some, that's enough. And then I'll click modify sub elements so I can change the height of this building. I can do whatever I want actually. I'm doing some changes. Yeah. And yes, that's all. Um, Now we need to load some families. I have already prepared the family file for the windows of my mess. So I will use Windows as a family in this project. To adding a family file, go on the architecture tab, and as I said before, I will use window. So let's zoom in. You need to click window, and as you can see here, a load family operation appears. When I click it, uh, I have a family file here for the skylight window and vertical classical window. First of all, we need to add skylights. I'm clicking them and say OK. It's opening. Uh, I just put them on the roof because it's a skylight. It's working on just on the roof. So let's put some window here. And also I have another family. Here the dimensions are changed. I'll add them one here and also here. One more. Let's change the dimensions here. It's okay, I guess. And click click not enter, click escape, and that's all. Let's load another family file again. I'll add some windows. I'll click load family and go desktop. The other family file here. I'm selecting it and open it. Yes, it's loading. Yes, it's here. I have two different types of vertical windows. This one for the bigger one, bigger wall. And I click it, placed here. You can see, maybe I'll zoom in. And I have another one, smaller one. And this is for here. Yeah, that's all for the loading family file, actually. Let's make some pets. For some pets, you can see here a button for the sun pet. It's now off. When we click on it, some settings here. First of all, I want to set my sun. So I'll click sun settings. Yeah. Here some operations. Uh, I will choose single day. You can change the location from here. Let's set another location. Let's go Turkey, Istanbul. When you choose your location, you need to click search. But here you can type your location here, then search. It's a problem, I guess. Again, we can try it. You can see locations here. Maybe I can do it bigger. I'll choose one of them. Yeah, here it's okay. Then I choose it and click OK. It sets the location to the Istanbul, Turkey. We can change the date actually, and I will change. Let's take August. Yeah, it's okay. And also you can change the time. So the effects of that we will see on the sunpad. I will show you. Let's 1 o'clock is okay. And click apply. Then okay. Zoom out and we need to on sunpad on. Click sunpad on. Here our sunpad. When we change the sun settings, for example, we can change the time. The sunpad also changing, you can see. And let's say it's okay. We need to create a sheet and save it as a PDF file. For the creating sheet, we need to go View tab and click on Sheet button. A0 metric is okay for us. We can do some operations here. We can change the name of the project. We can give details here. It's up to you. I will show how to add your model on this sheet. When you open the sheet, you can go 3D views and drag and drop it here. It's probably will not work because it's too big. You can see the borderline. So to solve that, we need to change the scale of this project from here. You can click on it and then I think 1 to 500 will be enough. It's changed the scale. So again, we need to drag and drop here. Yeah, it's okay. We can change the position. Yeah. Also, you can type client name, project name, blah, blah, blah. It's okay. When you want to create a PDF file, save as a PDF file, you need to go here and print. Microsoft Print to PDF is okay for us. You can search the location. Desktop is okay for me. For the settings, you can click on the setup and you can change the orientation. You can change the type of the file actually, vector file or raster file. We need to set on vector file for this project. It's okay for me. Let's click OK and then we can see the preview of our sheet. Yes. And let's go print. Yeah. Yes, that's all for today.